Okay, so today we're going to show you how to install GradeCam on your computer and how to do it using an Elmo. The first thing you're going to want to do is come down on your keyboard, hit the Windows key, which brings up search, and you're going to look up the company portal. Just start to type company portal pops up. This is a place where we have pre-made packages, a lot of the most common packages that applications that teachers use. So I'm going to click on apps over here, and it's just going to give you a list of all of the pre-made applications that we've done. The two that we're going to focus on today is these two GradeCam applications. I've already installed them in preparation for this, just so they'll make it go quicker. But all you do is click on it, and then you would actually hit install instead of uninstall here, and you would do that on both of those. Once you're done with that part, you'll actually come up here and in the URL bar type downloads.gradecam.com. It's going to come up to this plugin page. Because I've installed uninstalled, it's going to want me to reinstall it one more time. If you're not sure too, you can click down here and it'll do a refresh. And if you do and it still says you need to install the extension, no worries, just click on and install extension. And as a user, you would have a right to install your own Chrome add-on. So I'm just going to do that now just to show you what it looks like. It's going to be add the extension. I'm going to hit OK. It shows that it's been added. Now I can close this tab, and I'm going to come back here and I'm going to hit this refresh link, and it should show that it's been installed. All right, we're good to go. I've already got this GradeCam plugin installed. That's what we did earlier, so I'm just going to go ahead and skip this part.
And when you said earlier, you mean using the company store?
Exactly. So it may pop up, but ultimately you don't need it, so you can skip it if you've already installed it. Then you're going to select the camera. Obviously, it's going to default probably to your webcam. We're going to go down and find the OX1 or whatever version.
Because that over there is your OX1.
Yes. Whatever version that you happen to have, that's what you're going to want to select.
So Windows might see one or more cameras, and this is where you tell it which one you want to use for GradeCam.
Correct. Exactly. So it says it looks good. We're good to go. Click look good. Now it's going to go, all right, we're going to try scanning. So one of the things that this does allow you to do is right here, you hit print GradeCam form. When you do, it's going to give you the option to print out a little form. Let me just show you what that looks like. It's going to print this out, and basically it's an example form for testing. And what you'll want to do is on this part up here is actually go through and fill it out with a number 2 pencil like a student was taking an exam. The rest of it is already filled out for you, so you don't have to worry about it. So the next thing is we want to go ahead and try scanning. Now what I found is, depending on the orientation of your Elmo device, you may have to rotate your paper, but by default it should be straight up and down like normal. So what you'll do is you'll set your paper down, and then over here on the screen it turned green and it recognized what you've done, which is a good sign. That means the scanning process is working. Then what you can do is you can actually click right here to copy the scores, and then once you've done that, you right click and you hit paste, and it's going to automatically propagate, and it shows you that that whole process is working and you're good to go. So at this point it should work with whatever testing platform GradeCam uses and works for you. So the next thing we're going to do is in another video actually show you, if you don't have an Elmo or don't want to use that, we'll actually create a video that shows you how to do the GradeCam application on a Chromebook. So we'll see you there.